Example 1. Write 56,708 in scientific notation. You want to place the decimal point right here. 5.6708. That's a number between 1 and 10. Times the decimal point needs to be 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right, times 10 to the 4. The decimal point needs to be here. So 5.6708. And the decimal point needs to move from here 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So times 10 to the negative 3. You're dividing 5.6708 by 1,000. And you should really read this as 5 and 6,708, 10,000, 10 thousandths with a TH. Find the sum of 1.2 times 10 to the 3 and 3.2 times 10 to the power 2 and write the result in scientific notation. Be careful. 1.2 times 10 to the 3 plus 3.2 times 10 to the 2. Don't add 1.2 to 3.4 because you have 1,200 plus 340, which gives you 1,540, or 5.54 times 10 to the 3. Example 4, find the product of these two numbers and give the result in scientific notation. So multiply 4.5 by 3.1, which gives you 13.9695, and times 10 to the 5. Now be careful, this is not between 1 and 10. This is 1.395 times 10, 1.395 times 10. And that becomes 1.395 times 10 to the 6 when you combine the two powers of 10. Example 5. Find the quotient of 4.3 times 10 to the 6 and 8.2 times 10 to the 6. That 8.2 should really be an 8.6. That's a misprint. I intended that to be 8.6. So when you do the division with the 8.6, you get 1/2 times 10 to the 4, so 0.5 times 10 to the 4. But the 0.5 needs to be a number between 1 and 10. So instead of writing 10 to the 4, make it 10 times 10 cubed and associate these two. And you get 5.0, or just 5 times 10 to the power 3. And then let's do some exercises.